Hello and welcome. Today we have the 7-pin ultimate adversary lock from learnlockpicking.com. As a contrast, I have previously opened this 5-pin lock. So we can have a little look at that, how the keyway compares to... As you see, this one have a pretty open keyway. So let's take a look at this one. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have a couple of keys. Demonstration key. The enclosed pins and springs will work with the enclosed key. The key's code is printed on the head of the key. To pin this lock to work with this key, insert the bottom pins into the first 5-pin chambers. The pin length should be on the same order as stamped in the head of the key. Higher numbers correspond to longer pin length. Position number 1 is at the keyway end of the lock. If you can have a little look at this code then. 23234. We have a couple of extra pins. I see quite a few security pins in here. The 5-pin lock did not come with any security pins, as I saw. But I did buy an extra kit with security pins. So I should be set until I spill all these all over the floor and the vacuum taken. And here we have the lock with the top that have been machined away. I think this work is prettier than on the other one. The grooves look nice. Did this come with a key as well? Yes, there's a little Allen key in here. Good, then I have a reserve. And there's a protective film over here. Let's take that away. I love this part about new things. I know that some prefer to keep the film on, but I like to touch my stuff. This have a more complex keyway, I think. This is the worst lock of them, the ultimate adversary, as I said. So it should be more difficult than the standard 5-pinner. Yeah, it's a huge difference in how the keyway looks. So if we pin this 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. Let's try to pin it up with a 4 in the beginning. It looks like it should be a... No, it should be a 2 in the beginning. Yeah, this is a 2. So let's get one of the shorter ones right away. There's a little nut. Or is it a bolt? I have trouble enough with differentiating on those two in Swedish. Let's put the key pin in. And then the top pin on top. Over that we should have a spring. Did I drop any spring? No. I imagine the cats will be very glad about these small little toys all over the place. Like so. Put the spring in without damaging it. Like so. And we should have an Allen key. I will use the one from the 5-pinner. It shouldn't really make any difference, I think. This is how it looks like. I have not determined if there's a difference between these and the European ones. I think there might be. Americans should always be so specific about their units, like so. Now we put in the first pin. We can't move it. And if we put in the key, we can move it on position 2, which tells me that I have put in the wrong step. No, it's the right one. Two, I should have put in a 2, but I can open it on a 3. No, alright, that's a 2, okay. The last pin should be resting up there. Well, looks nice. I look forward to playing with this. As this comes with... You can pin this up like you want, and I am looking forward to challenging myself and improving as a lockpicker. That means that you guys will be able to see more fun locks in the future. So, this is my little unboxing. There probably could perhaps be a review sometime, but I had to play around with it first. Thanks a bunch.